Hello guys, and welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your watch history on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and type Instagram in the search bar. If you haven't updated the app yet, make sure to update it first. Once that's done, open your Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three white lines at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on your activity. Now scroll down a little bit and you'll see Watch History. Simply tap on that. Here you can tap Select and delete any reel you want. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.